Hello friends, today we will discuss MCQs on international trade. Question number 1. Which of the following base defines international trade? A. Trade within a country. B. Exchange of goods and services between countries. C. Exchange between regions of a nation. D. Exchange within local districts. Answer is B. That is exchange of goods and services between countries. International trade refers to the exchange of capital, goods, and services across national borders. Second question. The main objective of World Trade Organization is A. To fix exchange rates. B. To ensure smooth and free trade among nations. C. To provide long-term loans. D. To settle political disputes. Answer is B. To ensure smooth and free trade among nations. WTO, World Trade Organization, regulates international trade rules promoting free and predictable trade. Question number 3. Dumping in international trade means A. Imposing high tariffs, putting goods below domestic price. C. Import substitution. D. Promoting domestic sales. Answer is B. Exporting goods below domestic price. Dumping occurs when a product is sold abroad at less than its cost or home price. Question number 4. The mercantilist theory advocates A. Maximizing imports. B. Promoting exports and limiting imports. C. Free trade. D. Encouraging FDI. Answer is B. Promoting exports and limiting imports. Mercantilism emphasizes export surplus to accumulate wealth, mainly gold. Question number 5. Which theory explains comparative advantage in trade? A. Adam Smith's absolute advantage theory. B. Ricardo's comparative cost theory. C. Heckscher-Ohlin model. D. Leontief paradox. Answer is B. Ricardo's theory states countries should specialize where they have lower opportunity cost. Question number 6. Tariff is imposed on A. Exports. B. Imports. C. Domestic goods. D. Neutral products. Answer is B. Imports. Tariffs are taxes levied on imported commodities to regulate flow and protect domestic industry. Question number 7. The General Agreement on Tariff and Trade, that is GATT, was signed in A. 1944, B. 1947, C. 1956, D. 1995. Answer is 1947. GATT was established in 1947 to reduce trade barriers. It later evolved into World Trade Organization in 1995. Question number 8. Entrepot. Entrepot trade refers to A. Imports for home consumption. B. Export for domestic production only. C. Importing goods to re-export. D. Trade with a bloc. Answer is C. Importing goods for re-export. Entrepot trade means goods imported from one country and re-exported to another. Question number 9. Which organization focuses on trade-related assistance to developing countries? A. IMF. B. WTO. C. UNCTAD. D. OECD. Answer is C. UNCTAD. UNCTAD supports developing nations in gaining fairer integration into world trade. Question number 10. The Leontief paradox is associated with which theory? A. Heckscher-Ohlin model. B. Mercantilism. C. Product life cycle theory. D. Absolute advantage. Answer is A. That is Heckscher-Ohlin model. Leontief found US exported labor-intensive goods despite its capital abundance contradicting Heckscher-Ohlin theory. 11. Question number 11. Which trade theory emphasizes government protection for infant industries? A. Comparative cost advantage. B. Infant industry argument. C. Product differentiation theory. D. Mercantilist theory. Answer is B. That is infant industry argument. The infant industry argument suggests emerging industries need temporary protection until competitive. Question number 12. The Heckscher-Ohlin theory is based on A. Technology difference. B. Factor endowment difference. C. Wage level difference. D. Currency rate difference. Answer is B. Factor endowment differences. It explains trade by differences in countries' relative factor, labor and capital endowments. Question number 13. Product life cycle theory explains A. Growth stages of domestic, B. Trade pattern evolution based on technology and product maturity, C. Consumer taste difference, D. Tariff reduction stages. Answer is B. This theory shows how a country's export advantages shift as products mature. Question number 14. The abbreviation SAARC, SAARC, stands for A. South American Association for Regional Cooperation, B. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, C. South ASEAN Regional Council, D. Southern African Regional Committee. Answer is B. SAARC, B, that is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. SAARC promotes regional trade and cooperation among South Asian nations. Question number 15. Free trade maximizes global output by A. Equal distribution of income, B. Specialization by countries in efficient production areas, C. Restricting imports, D. Increasing tariffs. Answer is B. Specialization by countries in efficient production areas. It allows nations to produce goods where they hold comparative advantage, enhancing world efficiency. Question number 16. Which of the following best defines terms of trade? A. Ratio of exports to imports, B. Ratio of export prices to import prices, C. Balance of payments, D. Ratio of deficit to export. Answer is B. Ratio of export price to import prices. Terms of trade measure how many imports can be purchased per unit of exports. Question number 17. IMF was established in A. 1944, B. 1947, C. 1956, D. 1960. Answer is A. 1944. IMF was created at Bretton Woods Conference in 1944 to stabilize exchange rates and global finance. Question number 18. An example of trade blocs is A. WTO, B. IMF, C. European Union, D. World Bank. Answer is C. European Union. European Union is an economic and political union with free trade among members. Question number 19. Which of the following is not a trade barrier? A. Tariffs, B. Quota, C. Subsidies, D. Free trade. Answer is D. Free trade. Free trade agreements, D option. So answer is D. Free trade agreements. Free trade agreements remove, not create barriers to international commerce. Question number 20, that is the last. Which of these is non-tariff measure? A. Import duty, B. Export tax, C. Voluntary export restraint, D. Custom tax. Answer is C. Voluntary export restraint. Non-tariff measures include voluntary export restraints and quotas that restrict trade directly. That's all. If you like,